Golden milk. The ultimate health elixir for diabetes and overall wellness. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the amazing world of natural remedies and healthy living. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of golden milk, a powerful concoction made from turmeric, curcumin, ginger, and cinnamon. We'll discuss how it can help manage diabetes and improve your overall health. So, let's get started. Section 1. What is golden milk? Golden milk, also known as turmeric milk or haldi doodh, is a traditional Indian drink that has been used for centuries to promote good health. It's made by combining milk with a blend of powerful spices, including turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. The star ingredient, turmeric, contains a compound called curcumin, which has numerous health benefits. Section 2. Benefits of golden milk for diabetes. Now, let's talk about how golden milk can help manage diabetes. Research has shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Additionally, ginger and cinnamon have also been found to have blood sugar lowering effects. So, incorporating golden milk into your diet can be a great way to help manage diabetes naturally. Section 3. Overall health benefits of golden milk. But that's not all. Golden milk has a plethora of other health benefits. It's packed with antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. It can also boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even help you sleep better at night. Plus, the combination of spices in golden milk has been shown to have potential cancer-fighting properties. Section 4. How to make golden milk. Now that you know the amazing benefits of golden milk, let's learn how to make it. Here's a simple recipe you can try at home. Ingredients. 2 cups of milk, dairy or plant-based. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. A pinch of black pepper, to enhance curcumin absorption. Optional. Honey or sweetener of choice, to taste. Instructions. 1. In a saucepan, combine all the ingredients and whisk them together. 2. Heat the mixture. Enjoy the yumminess and health benefits. Don't forget to pour golden milk all over the like and subscribe buttons.